Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix call failed iPhone iOS 18. First, make sure that your SIM card is properly working. If not, contact the authorized cellular service provider. If the issue is not with the SIM card, then it might be on the device. Here are a few steps to resolve the issues. Swipe down from top corner to open the control center. Now tap on the airplane icon, wait for 10 seconds, and then turn it off. Next, try to make a call to check if it's working. Then try next. Check settings interrogation. For this, open the phone app, make sure you're in the keypad section. Now dial *#31# and make a call to that number. A restriction disable confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. Then try to make a call. If it's not working, then try next. Change cellular settings first. Open a setting app on your device and tap on cellular. Next, click on the cellular data option, then tap on voice and data. Here, change the options to 5G on or 5G auto. Now go back to the cellular settings page and click on the network selection option. Here, you will find the automatic option. Make sure the switch is toggled on. Next, try to make a call. If it's not working, then try next. Reset network settings. Go to the setting app and look for the general option and tap on it. Now scroll down to find the transfer and reset iPhone option and click on it. Next, look at the reset option at the bottom, then tap on it. Multiple options will pop up and click on reset network settings. It will prompt you to enter the passcode and tap on reset network settings to confirm. Now try to make a call. If it's not working, then try next force restart. Go to the home screen on your device, press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will start shortly. After restarting your device, try to make a call. If it's not working, then contact Apple support. After trying the above methods and still getting the call failed message, it may be a hardware issue. Visit an authorized Apple service center to fix the issue, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.